Humanizing AI. Artificial intelligence beckons us with the promise of a more humanized future. The notion of AI as a catalyst for empathy in our interactions and services is a tantalizing one, yet it is fraught with the complexity of societal implications that demand our introspection. The Empathetic Canvas of AI. The potential for AI to humanize our world is not merely a flight of fancy. It's grounded in the burgeoning capabilities of these systems to understand and respond to human emotions. Imagine a world where AI, with its infinitely patient algorithms, offers solace to the lonely, guidance to the lost, and companionship to those in the silent throes of solitude. It is a vision that is both heartening and disquieting. AI's capacity to simulate empathy could revolutionize the way we interact with services, from customer support that genuinely understands your frustration to mental health bots that provide a non-judgmental ear. The applications are as boundless as they are profound. Yet we must pause and reflect. Does AI's mimicry of empathy enhance our human experience, or does it merely create a veneer of understanding beneath which lies a cold, calculating machine? The dichotomy of AI-driven empathy. As we all get bombarded and overwhelmed by advanced AI, always come back to a reflection on what your personal intrinsic motivations are. The allure of AI-driven empathy is undeniable. It promises a world where every individual's emotional needs are met with precision and care. But in this promise, we must discern the line between genuine human connection and a simulated facsimile thereof. The question that gnaws at the edges of our collective consciousness is whether AI can truly comprehend the human heart, or if it is simply performing a sophisticated act of parroting. Can an AI tutor, with its vast database of knowledge and its algorithmic patience, replace the warmth of a teacher's smile or the subtle encouragement found in a mentor's gaze? These are the questions that we must grapple with as we hurtle toward an AI-infused horizon. A Motley of Consequences. The societal implications of empathetic AI are as intricate as they are impactful. On one hand, the democratization of empathy through AI could bridge gaps in mental health care, providing support to those who might otherwise languish in the shadows. On the other hand, we risk becoming a society that outsources its compassion to machines, potentially eroding the very fabric of human connection that defines us. We must consider the trajectory of AI with the same rigor we apply to any technology that has the power to reshape society. It is not enough to unleash AI into the wilds of the world without a compass to guide its integration into human experience. We must be stewards of this technology, ensuring that it serves to augment rather than replace the irreplaceable nuances of human empathy. Steering the ship of AI. In the end, the humanizing potential of AI hinges on our ability to steer the ship with a steady hand. We must imbue AI with the best of our values while remaining vigilant against the erosion of what makes us inherently human. It is a delicate balance, one that requires us to be both the architects of AI capabilities and the guardians, maybe even parents, of its impact. As we ponder the future of AI, let us not be swayed by the siren song of convenience at the expense of our humanity. Instead, let us harness AI's potential to create a world that is not only more efficient, but also more empathetic. A world where technology and humanity dance in harmony, each elevating the other to heights previously unimagined. In this pursuit, we must not shy away from the philosophical musings and historical contexts that have shaped our understanding of empathy. We must construct narratives that are both engaging and thought-provoking, ensuring that AI's journey into our lives is one marked by wisdom and foresight. Humanizing AI is not a question of whether we can, but whether we should. And if we do, how might we navigate the waters of empathy and apathy to reach a shore that is truly reflective of our shared human spirit? Reflection. It's crucial that we engage in a dialogue about the ethical and emotional landscape that we are sculpting. The journey of humanizing AI is not a solitary one. It requires a collective effort, a symphony of voices and perspectives to navigate the complex interplay between empathy and apathy. We invite you to join us in this pivotal conversation. Engage with your communities, spark discussions with your peers, and participate in forums that explore the depth of AI's impact on our society. Share your stories of how AI has touched your life, whether through an empathetic chatbot or a learning algorithm that seemed to understand your needs. Let us come together to shape a future where AI not only serves our practical needs, but also nourishes our emotional well-being. For the developers and innovators, infuse your AI creations with ethical considerations and strive to build technology that respects and enhances human dignity. Remember that every line of code carries the weight of moral responsibility. Policymakers and leaders craft regulations and frameworks that ensure AI's empathetic potential is harnessed for the greater good, protecting against the misuse that could widen the chasm of disconnection. Educators and philosophers educate the next generation on the importance of empathy in technology, encourage critical thinking about the role of AI in society, and the importance of maintaining human connections. Everybody, stay informed about the advancements in AI and reflect on how these changes affect your life and the lives of those around you. Advocate for a balanced approach where technology enhances human interaction rather than replaces it. Meditations. As you ponder the role of AI in our collective future, consider these reflection questions to deepen your understanding and shape your perspective. What does empathy mean to you, and how do you see AI either enhancing or diminishing this human trait? Can you think of a time when AI systems seem to understand your emotions? How did that make you feel, and why? In what ways might society change if we rely heavily on AI for emotional support and companionship? How can we ensure that the development of AI remains aligned with our core human values and needs? What are the potential risks of outsourcing our empathy to machines, and how might we mitigate these risks? How can we balance the efficiency and convenience offered by AI with the need for genuine human connection and interaction? What role should human mentors and teachers play in an education system increasingly augmented by AI? How can we, as individuals, contribute to a future where AI and humanity coexist in a mutually beneficial relationship? Let us choose wisely, with foresight and compassion, as we weave the tapestry of our future together, a future where AI and humanity are interlaced in a dance of progress and empathy. Join the conversation, share your thoughts, be a part of the movement towards a more humanized world, hand in hand with AI.